Welcome to Guangzhou's Liwan Lake Park, where nature, culture, and history meet. Let's explore this beautiful escape together. Liwan Lake Park is a serene urban oasis located in the heart of Guangzhou's Liwan district. Spanning over 40 hectares, this park is a must-visit for those looking to escape the city's hustle and experience a peaceful mix of nature, culture, and history. During my visit in November, the park was surrounded by a refreshing autumn breeze, making it perfect for a midday walk. The cooler weather added to the relaxing atmosphere as I strolled along the lakes and admired the beautiful scenery. The park features 4 major lakes: Xiaokui Lake, Yuki Lake, Ruyi Lake, and Wushu Lake. Together, they form the heart of Liwan Lake Park, connected by charming stone bridges and framed by traditional Lingnan-style pavilions. These lakes are surrounded by walking paths, offering plenty of opportunities to soak in the peaceful surroundings. The vibrant greenery and reflections on the water create a tranquil setting for photos and quiet moments. While noon offers bright and clear views, I highly recommend visiting in the evening for a different experience. The Lingnan-style architecture throughout the park adds to its cultural charm. Pavilions, terraces, and bridges designed with intricate carvings and traditional tiled roofs showcase the region's rich heritage. These structures are perfect for resting, enjoying the scenery, or snapping memorable photos. Best time to visit. November's mild weather is perfect for both day and evening visits. Photo opportunities. Capture the beauty of the lotus-filled lakes, Lingnan-style pavilions, and traditional stone bridges. Liwan Lake Park is truly a gem in Guangzhou, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and tranquility. Whether you visit at noon or in the evening, this park promises a unique and relaxing experience. The museum provides a deep dive into the history of Guangzhou tea, showcasing a variety of exhibits on tea cultivation, brewing techniques, and the role of tea in everyday life. Visitors can learn about traditional tea rituals and even explore the intricate tools and craftsmanship involved in producing high-quality tea. If you're referring to a specific shop or workshop, many of these are operated as DIY experiences, where visitors can create their own unique designs on fabrics, including scarves, handkerchiefs, or tote bags. These workshops are typically located within cultural or creative spaces inside Liwan Garden or nearby heritage streets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and hidden gems. Let us know in the comments if Liwan Lake Park is on your list to visit. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!